Hello, friends! Let's play a guessing game. Animal sounds. Are you ready? Let's see number 1. Listen. Who makes that sound? Can you guess? Yes, it's a cow. Say it with me. Cow. Moving to number 2. Who goes? Do you know? That's right. It's a dog. Can you bark like a dog? And the last one is... Oh, who makes that silly sound? You're so smart. It's a duck. Let's all say... Yay, you did it. We found the cow, the dog, and the duck. Great job, friends. See you next time for more animal fun. Bye.